The process of developing the strategic plan has been such a rewarding experience. As we began developing the goals and the key performance indicators, we quickly realized that there's a key element that's going to help Del Mar College move us into the future, and that is you. That is us, the people here at Del Mar College. Now, as we were looking at the values that we really wanted to move forward over the next few years and prioritize, we quickly learned that every time we were talking about an individual, a person who works hard every day here at the college. So I had the opportunity to interview several individuals that the Strategic Planning Committee identified as people who chart the Viking Way every day. They work hard, they're passionate about what they do, they're passionate about moving the college forward. Take a look. Thank you, Jose, for joining me today. Can you tell me a little bit, tell me how long you've been here at the college and what do you do for Del Mar?
So I've been here at the college for 12 years now, and I'm the assistant professor in welding. I ended up starting as an adjunct in 2007, and then just did different part-time roles till I got a full-time position.
Your peers, people on the Strategic Planning Committee, they were asked to pick individuals at the college who embody some of the values. You were chosen because of tradition. The definition that the college is using regarding tradition is the shared legacy of the people at Del Mar College who have learned, taught, and charted the Viking Way. And so congratulations on that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you tell me a little bit about your journey at Del Mar College, because you were a student here first, correct? Can you tell me a little bit about that?
So when I first graduated, I graduated at Ray High School in 1993. I came to Del Mar over the summer, and I had planned on doing something with math and science. I thought I was pretty good at that, and then after about a year and a half, I started failing some of the harder courses, calculus, chemistry. Wasn't really going anywhere, so I joined the military. Then after getting out of the military, I went to go work at a shipyard as a welder, and the pay wasn't that great, but a lot of the co-workers there told me, hey, why don't you go to Del Mar? You know, you seem like a smart guy that can go down there and complete it and do welding. I went and looked into it, and that's when I met Sonny Vela, and made a good friendship with Sonny, and ended up going through the program. And as I got more advanced in my studies, I kept promoting and getting better paying jobs. And keeping in touch with Sonny, he called me one day and he said, hey, we're needing a part-time instructor, and that's how I ended up back at Del Mar teaching. That's
a great story, because so Sonny was your instructor?
Now we're colleagues, yes. Yeah.
Very nice. Mm-hmm. What has that meant to you, having somebody here at the college who has been your mentor throughout the years?
So it's been really good, because, you know, Sonny brought me on as a former student, and I've seen myself doing the same. Some of the students that I made connections with when I was like an adjunct or part-time are now working for me in the welding program. So we've kind of managed to set sort of a tradition to grow the program and to make it the best program in the area. Hopefully we can make our program, you know, a legacy as well.
In the past couple of years, we've been working on, you know, what the future of Del Mar College is going to look like, right? And we've talked a lot about culture, and I think that's really what I hear coming from you.
I think it's very important, and combined with a good, strong work ethic, I think it'll be something that no other institution or college in the area will be able to compete with.
You're not the only person in your family who's gone to Del Mar College, correct?
No, so my two older brothers, my younger brother, have all gone to Del Mar College, and then my son recently graduated with his AAS from Del Mar College, and he chose welding, and my daughter just graduated high school and also completed a level 1 certificate at Del Mar. So yeah, it's in the family, it's in the blood, yeah. So, and it's a great place to start your education.
You and I have talked about where we're hoping to go, right, with our culture, with our student success. What are you hopeful about?
I'm hopeful for growth and opportunities. I've been kind of at the faculty council talking about trying to encourage more of the departments to make relationships with the smaller ISDs, the small rural towns. They seem to have that work ethic. They seem to follow our guidance, where the bigger ones tend to kind of tell us what they want to do, sure, you know, sure. So that's what I like about the smaller towns.
what I'm hearing a lot from you is not just helping the students grow, but you still have that desire to kind of grow and contribute.
In the last couple of years, I've gotten more involved with the college to learn more about, the operations and policies, procedures, but also to meet more of the faculty, because there's a lot of outstanding faculty here at Del Mar College. I'll call Paul, Dale, Terry Samos and ask for advice. It's good to have that network. Yeah.